At Context Free, we talk about programming languages. And so I'm excited to announce the Programming Languages Festival to be held February 23 to 24 of 2024 and aiming for the Phoenix, Arizona area. It's a fun, 2-day, single-track, non-academic conference about programming languages, where we can talk about programming language design, implementation, community, and more. And the most important part of any conference is the speakers. So I'm excited to announce a terrific lineup. Here, in alphabetical order by first name, I'm excited to announce Andrew Kelly, the creator of the Zig programming language. Connor Hoekstra, the host of the Code Report channel on YouTube. He also runs and co-runs multiple podcasts. Don Wages, of the Python Software Foundation Executive Board. Evan Ovadia, the creator of the Veil programming language that's exploring innovative ways of handling memory safety and more. Gabriela Gonzalez, longtime Haskell enthusiast and also creator of the Doll and Fall from Grace programming languages. Oscar Spencer, one of the creators of the Grain programming language, which is an ML for WebAssembly. Sabri Blackman, who's worked on security critical Rust, formal verification, category theory, dependent types, and more. Sriram Krishnamurthy, who's a professor at Brown University and works on the Pirate education language and has also contributed to the Racket language. Tim Morgan, the creator of the Natalie Ruby implementation, which is a Ruby to C++ compiler. And last but not least, Walter Bright, the creator of the D programming language. I'm excited to imagine what these speakers might talk about, and I expect to be announcing more speakers in the future. But none of this can happen without your support, which is why I'm launching a Kickstarter to secure funding for this event. I have a link in the description. And this information page is at plfestival.com. So let's make this event happen, and I hope to see you there. Oh yeah, and the Kickstarter project expires on June 14th. If we don't get enough registered attendees within the time frame, this conference isn't happening. So make sure to sign up right away for the conference if you plan on going, and tell your friends and coworkers about it as well.